The language challenges in Europe are enormous. European enlargement, emerging economies and exploding communication channels, these factors make the language problem more complex than ever. Multilingual content is produced so rapidly that human translation is nearly impossible. Automatic methods are needed. Bridges across the language divide, euBridge, provides automatic transcription and translation technology, enabling multimedia captioning and translation services. Audiovisual documents between European and non-European languages can be translated within seconds. The streaming technology converts spoken language from lectures, meetings and telephone conversations into text in another language. 4 use cases show the benefits of the euBridge speech translation services. Captioning translation for TV broadcasts. Speech processing technologies will improve the work progress in captioning TV shows and translating the captions into multiple languages. It reduces the costs for producing multilingual subtitles for media content. As a consequence, more media content can be subtitled and translated, so it will be available to more European citizens. University lecture translation. The system translates the spoken content of university lectures in real time and will be used in lecture halls at Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, KIT. This use case shows how speech translation technologies can be applied in situations where human translators would be too expensive. University lectures will be available to a much wider audience, for example, international students. European Parliament translation. euBridge identifies opportunities for applying speech translation technology in the translation process of the European Parliament. This is happening in cooperation with the Directorate General for Interpretation and Conferences, support to multilingualism. Potential application scenarios are all situations where human translators are not available. Mobile devices communication translation. Another research subject of euBridge is speech translation technology for mobile communication devices. They could be used in webinars or medical applications. Again, spoken language will be translated. The developers want to improve the user experience when using speech translation technology in mobile devices. The ultimate goal is to facilitate everyday interactions between European citizens who speak different languages. euBridge seeks to achieve rapid technology transition and market insertion by building distributed services instead of transferring software, and by making deployment part of the project. Another key issue is the reduction of data collection. Because the development of the core recognition and translation technologies depends on large, manually collected and annotated data, the cost of data collection needs to be minimized.